Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the MacBook Neo here and I'll be showing you to change the appearance of the icons on your desktop. Now of course, as you can see here, the icons are normal and of course these are the default look, and I'll be showing you to change the appearance of how they actually look much to the layout of the iPhone. Alright, so to explain what I mean, if you look at my iPhone, I have the dark themes here. So you see that my icons actually have that dark look. But of course, is it possible to do the same on your MacBook? So as your icons could become dark or clear, it actually can be done if you did not know. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on the Apple logo upper right. This applies to the MacBook Neo, the MacBook Airs, the MacBook Pros. So you're going to go to, and of course this is a MacBook Neo. So you're going to go to your system settings that I'll be demonstrating on. So go to system settings. Once you're in here, you're going to go down to appearance. Once you're in appearance as seen here, you're going to go down to icon widget styles. It's set to default. Now check these out guys. So as you can see, the look of these, you can change them to dark. So as you can see, the icons are dark. This was what default looked like. You can go to clear. As you can see, it not only makes these clear, it makes also the widgets clear as well. And you can also go to tinted, and that's the look. And of course, you may have missed that this can be done. So it's up to you which one you want to go. As for me, I'm gonna sport one that matches the the wallpaper, so it's best to go with one that goes with your wallpaper, whether it's dark, whether it's clear, or it's tinted. The choice is yours, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go with dark. So once you're finished, you can actually close out. That's it guys. So now all of my icons have the dark look, including my widgets, as you can see up there. So all the widgets are now okay. So I'm gonna leave it there. So that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.